So our products depend on your needs and your individual situation. Testosterone is a controlled substance. And so in order to prescribe testosterone legally, you have to have an in-person visit. There's some exceptions because of COVID, but we're planning on being around for a long time. Those exceptions are going to go away. So we use a product called DHEA, which is a naturally occurring hormone in your body, but we don't use it for the DHEA. What happens to DHEA within 30 minutes of taking it, it's broken down into estrogen and testosterone. And we found that it's a nice way of increasing testosterone levels without really worrying about overshooting. Testosterone can have a lot of side effects if there's too much on board. And, certainly we don't want to overshoot. The DHA will get you to a nice, normal, healthy level, but won't go beyond that at the doses we prescribe. Now, some people have looked up DHA and have gotten afraid of it because of all these side effects they see on the internet. And the thing about DHA is that the bodybuilding community uses it in really massive doses, 10 to 20 times the dose that we use at Winona. And in those giant doses, yeah, it can cause problems. But in a normal dose that we would use, it's really extremely rare to see those kind of side effects.